How to update macOS. Updating macOS is pretty simple, but it is good to know the proper steps so you don't lose work or run into issues. So here is a full guide. First of all you have to do is open your Mac and click on the Apple icon available at the top left corner of your screen. And once you tap on the Apple icon, you will get to see a drop-down menu appear. Now all you have to do is tap on the System Settings or System Preferences. Once in there, tap on the General, then inside General, tap on the Software Update, and inside Software Update, you will get to see your Mac will be checking for updates. If an update is available, click Update Now or Upgrade Now for new macOS version, and enter your Mac password if asked. Wait for the update to download and install, and your Mac will restart automatically. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.